Hello everyone, long time I didn't make any dessert for you. So today I'm gonna show you how can make coconut and mango panna cotta with poached raspberries and caramelized almonds. So let's do it. And let's start with coconut panna cotta. You are gonna need coconut milk, dry coconut, gelatin, double cream and sugar. I leave full recipe in the description down below. And I started with mixing a little bit of cream with my gelatin and I leave it on the side for around 10 minutes. The rest of the ingredients I can mix inside a pot. I bring it to the boil and then I leave it on the side for around 5 minutes so the coconut can infuse inside. And then I strain it. If you want, you can leave the coconut inside, but I think for my plating will be better to leave it clean. At this time is my gelatin powder nice and set, so I put it inside the warm mix and leave it to melt inside. And the last thing is to transfer it inside a glass and leave it to set inside the fridge overnight. For this video I'm using glass for the wine because I just think it's gonna look cool, but you can use any glass you like. And let's give a little bit of coconut milk to my food inspector so we find out if it's good quality. And looks like he likes it, like always, because he really likes coconut. So the coconut panna cotta is set now, so let's start with mango variation. And the recipe is very easy. You will need some mango puree, star anise, gelatin powder and a little bit of cream. I start with mixing a little bit of water and gelatin inside a bowl. And then again I'll mix the rest of the ingredients inside the pot. I'm using a pinch of star anise, but you can also experiment with different spices like vanilla, cinnamon and etc. I'm gonna bring it to the boil, and when my gelatin gets set, I'm gonna mix it inside a warm mix. At this point, you wanna leave it to cool down a little bit, so you're not gonna melt the coconut gelatin, and then you can just mix both together. I'm using this glass because I wanna create this sort of pattern, but you can also experiment with different kind of glass and make your own one. For my garnish, I want to make poached raspberries, and that's very easy to do. You wanna just mix water, sugar, lemon juice and lemon zest inside a pot. You can of course experiment with different citruses, lime, orange, or use some spices. Again, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, things like this. And you just wanna bring it to the boil so everything get infused, and then you wanna leave it to cool down to around 60 degrees Celsius, and after that mix with the raspberries. I'm using strainer again because I wanna get rid of the lemon zest, but if you want, you can leave it inside. And the last garnish I want to use are caramelized almonds. So let's do them. I mix few spoons of sugar with a little bit of water and I cook it until I get this bubbly consistency. At this stage, I can put my almonds inside and I keep cooking until the caramel get nice dark color and everything is melted. At the end, I put a little bit of butter in. That's gonna help me to separate the almonds. And I spread them on the baking paper and I leave them to cool down. And at this stage, I have everything ready, so let's do the plating. I mean, the plating is a little bit unusual today. We're gonna use this glass, so I put few of my poached raspberries on the bottom. Then some caramelized almonds. Few leaves of lemon balm. And my coconut and mango dessert is ready. So what do you think, guys? Do you like this style with the glass, or you would like to see something else? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn another recipe with panna cotta, check out this video and learn how you can make this amazing dish with chocolate soil, lime mousse and orange gel. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.